Kitchen lovers, you're welcome to yet another interesting video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this rose looking bread. Come with me to my kitchen and let me walk you through the process. In a bowl, I went in with some clean water. To that, I added some yeast, some sugar, a pinch of salt, and I mixed very well to combine. To that, I added some oil and some flour, then mixed, transferred it to the work surface for easy kneading. If today is your first time coming across my video, please give it a like and share with your family and friends. After kneading, I transferred it into the bowl and covered it and allowed it to proof. Gave it a good punch, shared it into two, and then added cocoa powder to 1/2, like so. Mix very well to combine. Then took out a piece and rolled out like this. I set aside, took out a piece from the plain one and also rolled out like so. I now got a glass cup or anything round in your kitchen. Just use it to cut out round shapes like this on both the one that has cocoa powder and the plain one. Then I begin to arrange them like this, alternating the colors. One plain, one brown, if you like that. I then pinch the sides together for it to stick, and then I rolled it out like this. Make sure to pinch it very well so that it doesn't scatter. After which I slice it into two, and then look at what we have. A beautiful looking rose. It's that simple, guys. I now transferred it. I repeated the process until I was done, and then transferred it into the pan. After arranging them in the pan, I just applied some egg wash for that shiny look after baking. Please like this video. Most importantly, subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. This is it. After that, I baked it, and this is what we have. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.